Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by opening the image and locating the text layer. Make sure the layer is unlocked. Use the Type tool T if the text is editable, or rasterize if you need pixel control. Once done, Control or CMD+ click the text layer thumbnail to create a precise selection around letters. This selection is why subsequent color changes are accurate. Make sure to hide any distracting layers so you can clearly see contrast and edges before moving to color adjustments. Now you apply a non-destructive adjustment to change color. Add a solid color fill or hue/saturation adjustment above the text, then Alt or Option+ click between layers to clip the adjustment so it affects only your text. You can also try color balance for precise shifts. Once clipped, tweak hue, saturation, and lightness. Make sure to test blending modes like color or overlay to preserve texture and shading. If the text is rasterized, use a new layer with clipping and paint with a soft brush. Finish by refining edges and adding polish. You can apply layer styles such as gradient overlay, stroke, or inner glow to enhance depth and legibility. Once done, add a layer mask and paint with black or white using a soft brush. Make sure to feather by about 0.5 to 2px for smooth transitions. Export using the correct color profile for intended output. If colors look wrong, check the document color profile and undo rasterization artifacts. Reopen the editable type if you need crisp vectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.